Rock bhai, do you miss the Bayern 2020? So hello my dear subscribers, welcome back to the channel. कैसे हो मेरे लाल पीले? क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारी जिंदगी में? Don't forget to tell me that. You can join the Discord server and also don't forget to follow me on the Instagram as well, right? So I'm in a very happy mood today, guys. Of course. So Rock भाई, ये बताइए आपका favorite club कौन है? You know, guys, मेरी कहानी बहुत अलग है. My story is very different. You know, I used to be a fan of Lewandowski and Bayern 2020 when we won Champions League. Right now I'm having not a lot interest in Bayern, but still I'm a little bit interested because I'm a Lewandowski fan. Like a person like me, Lewandowski has shifted into Barcelona. Now you always ask me, Rock bhai, which club you support between Real Madrid and Barcelona? So I was Cristiano Ronaldo, Real Madrid guys, 2017. But मेरी हालत कैसी हो गई? Like just imagine guys, when you're having Barcelona, when you're having Real Madrid, when you're having Bayern Munich, Lewandowski shifted to Barcelona. And a person who supports Real Madrid due to a fan of Lewandowski started supporting Barcelona. तो मेरी पूरी कुंडली का हलवा हो गया guys. Like my story has like ये like कचड़ा होके like it's like फेंक दिया. So this time I'm gonna actually flourish my memories. So yes, I'm making Bayern 2020, not actually 2020, not 2020. I'm very sorry for that. I mean past and present prime Bayern with Lewandowski as the striker, guys. So let me show you the squad. So the work is going on. Abhi kaam chal raha hai, guys, and the construction is going on right now. And you can actually see the sound of Thomas Müller at the campsite. 4-2-3-1 wide formation. The first player I have already gotten him, guys. 127 shooting, 147 dribbling, 108 overall pace. Look at that, bro. Seriously, look at that. I mean, positioning is 152 and he has gotten some seriously killer stats, to be honest. Of course, his long shots are 139 as well. He has gotten some good traits, high work rate, 5-star stamina, and he is a valuable value is not showing. I mean I think the net might be lagging, guys. Sometimes network issues, but he's actually available for 200 million coins, of course. So yeah, Thomas Müller, except him, I have gotten some very old cards, with Lewandowski at the striker. So I'm waiting for La Liga team of the season for getting a new card of Lewandowski, and hopefully EA should give him at least 87 or 88 pace. Then I'll be very happy. वरना मैं और तुम बैठ के उन लोगों को गालियां दे लेंगे EA Sports को as usual. Okay, so guys, this is the team of Bayern, and the team I'm gonna build is like I'm gonna get Goretzka, Kimmich, and guys, what is my plan from the market? Right now I'm having approximately 500 million coins. I also bought the star pass, so I'm gonna sell all of the players. I'm thinking like to get Ribery at LM side, but still I'm not sure about it, So when I'm gonna actually search the nation Germany, then this card is my target, guys. This is Matthäus. He is available for 230 million coins, and this Matthäus is available for 240 million coins. So there is a basic difference between both of these cards. Yes, right, this is a center mid version, right, and his stats are good, but guys, the best version of Matthäus, what it can be like. So you can see like this one, man, this Matthäus card is seriously so killer, guys, and I seriously want him in my squad. He's gotten some amazing defending stats, high work rate, and that's seriously good, guys. Solid player trait as well. And guys, the next target is this Bastian Schweinsteiger, this one, because he has gotten CDM at his alternative position. So yeah, this might be my target as well, but I have to see like if Kimmich or Goretzka will get a better card than this Schweinsteiger, so I can definitely target them. So let's basically go for a head-to-head match with this Bayern squad. So let's freaking go for the head-to-head match in the arena chapter, and let's see what this Bayern is capable of doing in the full-length head-to-head match, baby. तो तुम लोग तैयार हो और मैं भी तैयार हूँ. It has been a lot of time, a long time since we played a full-length head-to-head match on this particular channel with my amazing commentary, of course, guys. Let's go. I'm really excited today. Stupid EA Sports still finding up the opponent, and the opponent has been found. That's nice, connecting to the server, and maybe the connection issues as usual, but it's not like that. So okay, we are facing whose baby is this? It's Baby Rage, bro. Strange name, Baby Rage. Wow. Okay, nice. So we are getting a home side to play, and we are having Bayern as our crest. So खेलने का समय आ गया है इस level पे, guys, इस level पे. So this is my team looking damn awesome, guys, with Thomas Müller and 4-2-4 formation. So I have to he has also gotten some good team as well. So let's go. Let's wish him all the best. I'm very sorry, man. Let's wish him all the best. I'm sorry, bro. Like this happens with me a lots of time, bro. Okay, so he is also giving me thumbs up. Leroy Sané towards Lewandowski, towards Leroy Sané, strikes the finesse, very first goal of the match. Lewandowski assist, butter masala goal, and that was the very first goal, the opening goal of the match, guys. Butter masala goal, I like that, bro. So we have actually taken the lead in the very first half itself. That's nice. मतलब starting में guys. No bro, this is ये गलत संकेत आ रहे हैं मुझे. Ricardo Carvalho, Virgil van Dijk, Lewandowski, towards Lewandowski again, towards Leroy Sané, nice fake shot. नहीं, Sané still on the ball. Towards Lewandowski. Oh my God, offside. Oh, could have gotten the second goal from here itself, no? Okay. Kingsley Coman. Let's go, guys. Thomas Müller swipe shot. What the fuck? Courtois, bro. Seriously, like this could have been a goal. I could have actually used an power shot here. I mean, the button shot. With swipe, I didn't apply it as much. Like I needed some good amount of power, guys. Let's go, Leroy Sané. नहीं, कॉर्नर क्या कर रहे हो रॉक भाई? What are you doing, stupid man? Okay, Kingsley Coman. नहीं, no. Oh my God, guys, that's a goal! Wow, man, look at that, bro. Like this is not expected, of course. किस्मत है मेरी किस्मत, आज किस्मत चमक रही है, guys. Seriously, this is nice. Goal from anywhere. Okay, scripted match for the opponent. I'm sorry, baby. His name is Baby, bro. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, Jude Bellingham, Kylian Mbappe, caught and tackled. नहीं. Towards Lewandowski. Ruud Gullit is coming there as well. Bro, Bastian Schweinsteiger has gotten enough amount of physicalness. Defending looks very crazy as well, Okay. This is Dembele. Look at the tackling of Virgil van Dijk, guys. Towards Lewandowski. Towards Thomas Müller. Heel to heel. नहीं, गड़बड़ हो गई. गड़बड़ कर दी, guys. I ruined this attacking chance, bro. I should have not gone for heel to heel there. I could have relaxed. Patience. Patience is the key to success, right? Yeah. So, baby, I'm 2-0 up right now, and you have to actually play better in the second half. वरना कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता ना. Yes, of course. I won't concede 2 goals, bro. अगर मैंने 2 गोल खा लिए तो I should actually मुझे नदी में कूद के जान दे देनी चाहिए from today itself, from this stage. Coman. Lewandowski. Swipe shot. Look at the goal. Third goal of the match, guys. And Thomas Müller, the assist king of Bayern. Yes, I like it, bro. It's giving me the vibes of 2020, I'm seriously enjoying it. And I'm waiting to make it more, Prime Bayern squad, past and present. Coman. Lewandowski. Nice fake shot. Rowlett. Thomas Müller, this time swipe shot is going inside. 4th goal of the particular match. Khalo laddu, guys. Let's go. My God, guys, I'm seriously destroying this baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm seriously sorry. Your name is Baby, bro. Baby Rage. Okay, nice one. It's Jude Bellingham. Kylian Mbappe. अरे क्या करेगा तू कछुए? It's not कछुआ, guys. Of course, fastest player. Leroy Sané. नहीं, ये क्या है? ये कौन सी तमीज होती है, गाइस? रूबन डियाज भी रूबन डियाज, गाइस, अभी सो के उठाए रूबन डियाज. ही वाज लाइक नो. ओके, नाइस पास. मुझे नहीं, आई एम नॉट नोइंग टू हुम आई एम पासिंग, गाइस. थॉमस म्यूलर. Lewandowski. Who the hell was that, bro? Okay. R9. No. Don't get me the taste of Su, I just sold my Ronaldo, guys. Look at the pass of Bastian Schweinsteiger and look at the stupidity of Lewandowski. I think it's my stupidity, guys. I should not blame him. His stamina also gotten drained, bro. What the hell? My hands are sweating as well. No. Nice. Okay, Thomas Müller. What the hell? नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. लो. I think I have to, मुझे 4 गोल खा के like I have to be happy with these 4 goals. So that was an amazing, really amazing match, guys. I think I bottled at last, but no problem, guys. No problem at all, because that's all. That was an amazing match. If you really like this match, then make sure to like this video and to subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you cannot miss any further notification of such sort of amazing video, guys. Bayern 2020, or you can say prime or past and present Bayern, this road is finally, it will continue. Bundesliga is coming, or Bundesliga katte mein se, guys, I'm gonna actually get a lot of players, That's all for this amazing video. Thanks for watching. Love you, Meri Jaan. Let's meet in another amazing video. Jai Hind.